using DHCP settings to troubleshoot networks connections. Follow to know how to do this. Here we have a problem in the customer's network that some computers are connected to internet and some is not or are not connected to the internet. So we will use a remote connection like Google Chrome remote desktop, and go to get permission from the customer to use this remotely fixing problems. So we access the DHCP IP pool starting address and IP pool ending address remotely. Here we will go to the dynamic host configuration protocol DHCP setting, and in the router server to assign IP addresses to the devices that are not connected to the network. The DHCP server needs two addresses. The first is the IP pool starting address, and the last one is the IP pool ending address. So here, if the starting address is this IP address, start with 2 at last, and the IP ending address is ends with 50. So now we have the number of computers who are connected to this network and connected to each other is 50 minus 1 while starting with 2. So the total is 49. Okay, if here, so we have 9 PCs here. Okay, and then we go to the next one. Simulation for fixing the problem. We will use secure shell protocol SSH, and we have here 11 steps. The first start here is to go to the CMD. In the CMD, right here CMD, and then we go to the command prompt and write this code. Which is SSH and admin at the starting IP. It will need the password of the router. So you will, this is the IP of the router. You will enter the password of the router here to complete the process. After completing and entering the password, here we have all the data about this router. We enter this code nvram get DHCP start. So this is the start address. So this is the IP for the router, and this is the starting address. This code is very important, nvram. Okay, then we enter get the end DHCP underscore end, and here we have the end IP. So here we just only have 9 PCs. Okay, then you need to increase these PCs by 90 PCs. So you have 90 PCs as not access to the network. So here you will change this IP in the end of the DHCP from 10 till 100. So 100 minus 1 is 99 PCs. If you need the 100, you end with 101 or 101. Now when we enter the IP of the router, we go to the software of the router, or operating software of the router, and here we go to the basic config. From here, DHCP server, and from here we complete the work. From here we select LAN, and here we have the IP pool ending address, change it to 100. Now we did all the setting on the DHCP server. This is the change from 10 to 100. Successfully updated DHCP pool to enable the router to assign up to 99 addresses. Okay, because UV has over 24 devices, there should be plenty of IP addresses for these needs. If you have any questions, you can ask and they'll reply you as soon as possible. If you need anything, ask also. I will prepare videos for you. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe in the channel.